Game of Croquet from The Theory of Everything. I'll be covering a few of the themes from the film, this being one of them, so you can find the other themes on our channel as well. I'll be covering the notes, the fingerings, naturally, and the rhythm. The rhythm here is quite easy. It's all eighth notes, so not really that much to do here. I'll play the piece for you, about 20 seconds, 30 seconds of music, and then we'll get right down to business. Here we go. Game of Croquet. So let's stop here, and you can see that there's so much cyclical material here that we can go through this fairly quickly. As long as you have your chords in place, position, it's just a matter of breaking it up. I'll show you that in a moment. You can use the slow-mo function, slow it down if I'm going too fast. So let's get down to it then. What we have our arpeggiation of some A minor chords to start us off. More or less, it's just one position repeated per bar. So we start off with this. These notes. So learn this as a chord. 5, 3, 1 in the left, 2 and 5 in the right. Now you can actually use a thumb here. I prefer to use a 2 just because it makes it a little easier to control this. That's my preference. You can do what you like. This is the first position. And it's in 3/4 time. So we have 1, 2, 3. 2 notes per beat. Per every beat that is said. 1, 2, 3. You can see that we're just traveling up A minor all the way to E and then back to A. That's the pattern that's going to be recurring throughout the entire thing here. All right? And that repeats. So that was our first bar. Second bar is exactly the same. Now the bottom 2 notes move down, the thumb stays, and this is our next position. Same fingering, but new notes. There's a B in the right hand now. Same pattern, twice. So far, so good. Moving on to the next bar, bottom 2 again move down, this time to F sharp and A. The second finger of the right hand returns to A, and this is our position. Same fingering again, 5, 3, 1 in the left, 2 and 5 in the right. Same pattern. Twice. Now all of the E's, being here, move down to D's. This is the new position. Same fingering again. Twice. And there you have it. Pretty straightforward, no? And then the whole thing repeats. With no pausing, this is what it sounds like. Just a slew, a string of 8th notes. Every bar repeating once. And there you have it. Moving on to the next section, we have a new position. 5, 2 and 1 in the left, 2 and 5 in the right. Again, we go up. Same pattern. Repeat. Moving on. The left hand now moves up. All the notes move one step higher. And the right hand is here, 1 and 4 in the right. And here it is. Pretty straightforward, no? Now, I'm going to stop here. I don't want to get, I want to shorten these videos on YouTube. They're getting too long. Some of them are like 18 minutes long. The rest of it, it's going to be on the website. Go check it out. Finish it. It's free to try. Sheet music is going to be up there. I arranged this. It wasn't difficult to arrange. It's pretty straightforward. And you can download the sheet music from the website too. And yeah, that'll be it. If you want to use pedal, you can. I do, certainly. And every time the positions change, so here's the first position, then we have the second position, then we have the next position. Whenever these positions change, the pedal changes as well. I'll see you in the next ones. Take care.